Hello friends, this is HSBC Rain Vortex, the world's tallest indoor waterfall. It's 40-meter high and it's a centerpiece attraction that greets visitors when they enter Jewel. So this video would be all about Rain Vortex, majestic waterfall immersion garden. So let's take a tour to this Jewel. We are at Expo MRT and from here we will move to Changi Airport, which is the nearest location to go to Jewel, where we will see the HSBC Rain Vortex. So let's go there. And here is my husband smiling and waving. So here we are at Terminal 2. From here we will go to the Changi Jewel. And you can see everybody are busy in clicking pictures. Beautiful plants, lush and green. And here is the Crown Plaza. Now that is Jewel, and you can see how it looks from outside. So here we are clicking pictures. And you can see so many people are moving towards Jewel. We went on a weekend, so it's really very crowded here. I don't know about the other days. And here you can see such a beautiful picturesque scenery. Jewel looks like a bun, a donut from outside, but it's really a very beautiful architecture. As soon as you enter Jewel, you will find this booklet kept in front of you and you can pick one. This booklet contains all the information about the Jewel, what all shops are there, what all places you can visit in Jewel. So it's a guide to Jewel. So we are moving towards the majestic waterfall. And you can see the waterfall, and here is the Shiseido Forest Valley East Trail. We entered from the East Trail. Shiseido Garden is actually 4-story Shiseido Forest Valley, and here you can find around 900 trees and palms and about 60,000 shrubs. So you can just get lost in this wonderful wonderland. So as we are near to the vortex, the waterfall, all the people are busy in clicking pictures, taking videos. So all are very busy and excited and overjoyed with this beautiful waterfall. So the waterfall that you can see that is going down will go from a tube down, and then it will again come to the top, which you can see above falling, and this keeps on happening all the time. So the water that is falling here in that area, this water will move through a tube, which we will see in few minutes. And here is the Shishido garden. I think it is South Trail. So it's really very beautiful. It gives you a scenic beauty. There is Canopy Park, which is also a main attraction of Jewel, which would be opening on 10th of June for public, and it has many things to explore, like there are bouncing and walking nets, then hedge and mirror mazes, then there are big giant slides, then foggy bowls, petal garden, then canopy bridge. So you can go there and explore many things. This is kind of being in Wonderland, and I think it's a great place to visit with your family because you have so many things to do, right from shopping to explore adventurous stuffs and do your night out, have a good dinner, buy gifts for your friends, family, relatives. So if you're in Singapore, you must go to this jewel. And here is that immersion garden, that the pipe from which the water just flows down. The tip is that you can take a slow-mo picture video, and you will find it so amazing, as you can touch the pipe as well. See, you can touch the pipe. And finally, you can click pictures, some video images, some memorable moments, Insta friendly pictures. So that was it in this video. Stay tuned to see many videos that is going to come up in near future. Thank you for watching.